Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In this video, we dive into the problems with Windows 11's KB5041580 update. Many users are encountering installation failures, but this update is essential as it fixes a critical TCP/IP vulnerability that could leave your system vulnerable to attacks. We'll discuss the issues and provide solutions, and now let's get started. Open the Start menu and type Notepad. Open the link in video description and select all the text. Copy the text and paste it into Notepad. Save the file by selecting Save As. Change the Save As type to All Files and add .bat at the end of the file name. Navigate to where you saved the file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. The file will run automatically, which may take some time. This may take some time to finish, and the tool will restart your PC to finish installing updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. See you in the next video.